Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BOX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today. Earnings. So of course, with the earnings well above average volume on the day, and the market really liked what it saw. Very impressive movement. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 1775. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 1775, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that level, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1775 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Now, I should note that, the last part of the day, very, very impressive bounce to the upside. So while this doesn't guarantee that any sort of breakout's going to happen, it definitely makes it more than valid to wonder and say that, it's looking like there's a very rational, very possible, possibility that this 1870 mark will be broken on Friday. Remember, the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So again, let me reiterate that I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen. There is no such thing as a guarantee, but it's well within striking distance. There's very clearly quite a bit of momentum to close out the day. So to think that, it might break through there, like I said, it's definitely a rational thought to have in the event the price can push through there. So I just converted us to the daily time frame here to really illustrate that it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. Well, it actually makes that much more sense why the price is struggling right here. You go all the way back here, and right there it struggled before. So we are looking at multi-month highs here. So there we are. So if the price can break above that area, next key overarching area of resistance up around 19, we'll just round it up and call it, I was going to call it 1999, but we'll round it up a penny and just call it the round number of 20. So again, right there, very near term level, but if the price can break through there, then there's definitely some more room to run with that next key level, not until up around $20. So very, very powerful movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.